Hey guys, it's John Scale Models. Came back for an update. My 71 Hemi Cuda. Got the chassis all done. Got the motor in. Tires all done. Looking pretty good. Got all my exterior parts primed and painted. I did a gloss black on them just to kind of set them off from the body color a little bit.
Semi-gloss.
Yeah, semi-gloss black.
Yeah.
Got my interior painted. Went with the Tamiya Flat Earth. I think it's a pretty cool color for the interior, actually. I wasn't sure. I wanted to try it just to see how it would turn out. I'm pretty happy with how it is. Got the dash here. Did the Tamiya Flat Earth on this part here. I'm gonna do the interior and top part here in the semi-gloss black. Give it a nice little contrast, between the two. Yeah, so I'm gonna be doing this next, and then I'm gonna get the body all prepped here. I got it primed. Went with the black primer to give the blue a little more of a deeper color. Yeah, so I get started on that dash, and after that, get this all ready for body paint. All right, we'll be right back.
Dust too. Sweet, bro. Say anything to Mr. Blue Hand Tony from T-Dog Model Cars?
Hey, brother. Hey guys, we're back. I'll show you what I got down here. Finished up the dash. Did the little two-tone there. Still gotta do a couple of things, steering wheel and whatnot. Got the most important part I wanted to do. Got the paint on the body. Just got it all cleared. It's good to go. I gotta wait for it to dry and stuff, and we just gotta assemble, and that's about it. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks sweet.
So, yeah, I'll put up another video once I get everything assembled and, you know, show you guys what it looks like. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for my subscribers. We'll talk to you next time.